facility, or you can write structured query language statement to create your queries. You can define queries to select. Now these are the queries which are used most often. One is select query, then update query, insert or delete data. So you can select whatever information you want from the bulk one, update the existing information, insert any new row or column, delete existing row and column. So you can also find queries that create new tables from data in one or more existing tables. Now these are the forms. Form is a object in a desktop database designed primarily for data input or display or for control of application executions. You use form for customize the presentation of uh, data that your application exacts from queries or tables. Now forms are what? Forms are the displaying of the information in a user interface form. So they say forms are used for entering, modifying and viewing records. So these are the three main motives for which forms are used. The reason forms are used so often is that they are an easy way to guide people towards entering data correctly. When you enter information into a form in Access, the data goes exactly where the database designer wants it to go in one or more related tables. Now actually what happens, the internal working of Excel is you make a table. In the table the outlet is done by the form designing, and whatever information you enter in a form, they directly go into the tables. Okay. Now report is an object in desktop database designing for formatting, calculating, printing and summarizing selected data. So these are the work of the report. You can view a report on your screen before you print it. So basically I told you, it is the final work which you have all done, and you are taking a final report of the work. So if forms are for input purpose, then reports are for output. So these are for output. If the form is for input and these are for output. Anything you plan to print deserves a report, whether it is a list of names and address, a financial summary of a period, or a set of mailing labels. Reports are useful because they are allow you to present components of your database in an easy to read format. You can even customize a report appearance to make it visually appealing. So you can also change the format of the reports according to your wish. Okay. So Access offers you the ability to create a report from any table or query. So you can make reports for table as well as for queries also. So this is the format of a MS Access. This is how it looks. In the new part, you write the table, and this is how you have to make, like you will be putting queries. First of all, you will be making the table, then you will be putting some queries on that, and if you want to take out the form, you can design a form for the queries, you can make it, and finally the report. Thank you. I hope this video is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.